Hi viewers, I want to help you with the pronunciation of the past tense. The past tense, when a verb ends with a T or a D, will have id for the past tense, and that includes a vowel between the T and the D, or the D and the D. Painted, spotted, added, graded. Now, this makes it easier to pronounce the past tense because this vowel is very helpful. But for other consonants, we do not have this vowel, and it makes the final consonant cluster more difficult. So in this video, I'm going to work on the final consonant cluster KT or KT, KT, because this is the final consonant cluster for the past tense for a final consonant that is voiceless in a verb. Linked, asked, peaked. Any other voiceless consonant here will also have a T sound after it. And I want to show you several ways that you can try to get that T after the K. I'm going to start with this sentence, I walked to work, because I often hear this final consonant cluster in verbs pronounced walked or packed, but there is no vowel. So I have put this in a sentence where the next consonant after the verb is a T. And we are going to say the sentence, I walked to work, and then we're going to try to stop before we get to this vowel so that we can say, I walked. So, I walked, I packed, I packed 2 boxes. I packed. Okay, that's one way that you can become familiar with the sound of T after a K. Now, here I also have a T after the K sound, but we're going to say that we want to correct ourselves, like we're saying the wrong number. I picked 1 apple. I picked 1 apple. I checked 1 bag. I checked 1 bag. Now, when we have a vowel in the next word, then it really makes it easier because we can move that T before this vowel and say all this quickly. So I walked in, I walked in. I walked in, I walked in. I baked a cake, I baked a cake. I baked a cake, I baked a cake. The boats docked at a port. Docked at a port. Docked at a port. And this also works if the following consonant is an H, because an H is somewhat similar to a vowel. She picked him. She picked him. She picked him. She picked him. Now, I put this wavy line here because this is not a grammatical sentence. They baked hot bread. They baked hot bread. Baked hot bread. Baked hot bread. They parked here. They parked here. They parked here. They parked here. I think if you practice these sentences and move the T, it will become easier for you to combine the K and T into kt, kt. And I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and thanks for learning English.